Places where people disappear, Iceberg. Right at the top, we have the Bermuda Triangle, easily the most famous entry on this list. This region in the Atlantic Ocean, bounded by Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has been the site of countless vanishing acts. Its most infamous event is Flight 19, where 5 U.S. Navy bomber planes completely vanished mid-flight in 1945. What makes it even weirder is that the rescue plane dispatched to locate them vanished as well, leaving zero trace of any aircraft to this day. Next is Lake Superior. It's notorious for brutal freezing weather, intense sudden storms, and over 350 recorded shipwrecks. It's so massive that it generates ocean-like 30-foot waves, with an estimated 10,000 deaths tied to its waters over the centuries. While the sinking of the Edmund Fitzgerald is famous here, an even stranger event was the disappearance of the SS Bannockburn, known as the Flying Dutchman of the Great Lakes. In 1902, it vanished alongside its 21-man crew, leaving behind nothing but a single oar and a life preserver. It's wild that a freshwater lake could swallow a massive vessel so completely without a trace. Then we have Yosemite National Park. Over 1,000 missing person reports have been filed here since official record-keeping began, with more than 30 remaining completely unsolved. Granted, with millions of annual visitors, rugged wilderness, and vast acreage, high numbers are expected. However, local legends claim the park carries a curse, particularly around Tenaya Canyon. Myth has it that the chief of the Awanichi people cursed the canyon after his tribe was forcibly displaced, making it a hotspot for mysterious disappearances.
Next on the list are the Superstition Mountains in Arizona. This region sits right near Lost Dutchman State Park, named after an 1800s legend about a German immigrant named Jacob Waltz. Known as the Dutchman, he allegedly discovered an insanely rich gold mine hidden in these mountains, only revealing cryptic clues to its location on his deathbed. Ever since, countless hikers have trekked into the wilderness searching for the lost fortune, but the mine has never been found. The area is notoriously dangerous, packed with treacherous terrain and extreme desert heat, leading to roughly 4 or 5 people dying or going missing here every single year. Moving on to the Devil's Sea. Located near Japan, this mysterious stretch of water is often called the Pacific's Bermuda Triangle. Back in 1952, a Japanese research ship named Kaiyo Maru No. 5 vanished here without a trace, taking all 31 crew members with it. Dozens of other vessels have mysteriously disappeared over the last century. Stories even stretch back 3,000 years to ancient Chinese lore, which spoke of a ravenous dragon lurking in these waters, dragging passing boats down into the ocean depths. Finally, we have the Highway of Tears. This is a remote 450-mile stretch along Highway 16 in British Columbia. Officially, at least 18 women and young girls have gone missing or been murdered along this road since 1969, though community estimates put the real victim count closer to 40. The area is deeply isolated, bordered by dense forest, and severely lacks public transit. Because getting around is so difficult, local residents are often forced to rely on hitchhiking, making them vulnerable targets. Next up on the iceberg is the Bass Strait Triangle. Located between mainland Australia and Tasmania, this stretch of water has hundreds of deaths and vanishings tied to it. The area is plagued by sudden storms, fierce currents, and shallow reefs that make navigation extremely hazardous. Its most famous mystery is the strange disappearance of Australian pilot Frederick Valentich. While flying over the strait, he radioed air traffic control, reporting an aircraft hovering 1,000 feet above him. Seconds later, he realized it wasn't an aircraft at all, describing it as orbiting directly overhead. Before his radio cut out completely, a strange, metallic scraping noise echoed over the transmission. No wreckage or trace of Valentich was ever recovered, leaving the source of that sound, and his fate, a total mystery. Finally, we reach the Alaska Triangle. Formed between Anchorage, Juneau, and Utqiagvik, over 16,000 people have been reported missing in this region since 1988, though many were eventually located. Alaska's severe weather, vast wilderness, and dense forests make search efforts incredibly brutal, fueling the area's eerie reputation. One high-profile case occurred in 1972, when a plane carrying U.S. House Majority Leader Hale Boggs and 3 others vanished without a trace, prompting the largest search operation in U.S. history. While conspiracy theories claim the plane was bombed, no debris has ever been found. Curiously, Bill Clinton actually drove Boggs to the airport before that flight, and Boggs was notably a member of the Warren Commission investigating JFK's assassination, though no concrete evidence of foul play exists. Ultimately, Alaska sees a high rate of plane crashes, simply because it has the highest concentration of pilots per capita in the nation, making air travel essential across its massive landscape.